Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on REN token. In today's video, I want to show you how the REN token has formed a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup, and I also want to show you this big broadening wedge formation as well, and REN is going to break out the resistance of this wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me share this previous analysis of REN token with you that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 13th of August, when the price line after extreme drop completed the final leg of the harmonic bullish reversal bat move and entered the potential reversal zone. This buying zone was starting from approximately 51.95 cents and goes to 35.15 cents. And our sell targets were from 92 cents and goes to $1.52. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well from this potential reversal zone and rallied up to $1.32. That was more than 230% rally. And now the price line has formed another harmonic bullish reversal setup. And let me show you the current setup that REN token has formed after the current drop. And this is the new setup that is another harmonic bullish reversal bat move on the same weekly time frame chart. The previous chart was also on the weekly time frame, and this one is also formed on the weekly time frame. And you can see that we have a very strong support here at 26.68 cents, and the potential reversal zone is starting from 38.74 cents and goes to this support. And if I show you this support, you can see that even here back from August 2020 to December 2020, it has been breaking as a very strong support. And here in April 2021, it has been breaking as a strong support. And then in May 2021, in June 2021, and here in the month of July 2021, it has been breaking as a very strong support. Right now, after this extreme drop, this was, by the way, the previous bullish bat move, and this is the current move. You can see that continuously REN token is forming the different harmonic setups. Now, if we take a look at the current buying zone, that starts from 38.74 cents and goes to this support of 26.68 cents. And our sell target, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bat, are from 74.55 cents and goes to $1.12. Now let's move to the daily life time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line has formed this broadening wedge formation that is moving to the downside. It was entered the wedge here back in September 2021. So far, it is not able to break it out. We have so many touch points at the resistance and at the support as well. Right now, after this bounce from the support from after 22nd of January, the price line rallied to this resistance of the broadening wedge. And if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame chart, then you can see that we have a new candlestick open above the resistance of this broadening wedge formation, and it is possible that now we are going to break out this resistance very soon. On the 4-hourly time frame chart, we are breaking out, and even on the daily time frame chart, we are breaking out. But once we will have the closing above this resistance of the daily time frame chart, that will be the first confirmation. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.